today I'm going to show you how did I make my boat. Well, first of all, I took an egg carton and I cut it in halves. I stayed with the part where you keep the eggs. Well, then I painted in two tones of blue, light blue and dark blue.
Hello, I'm Adriana and this is my boat. I really liked doing this arts and crafts project and I enjoyed a lot.
I'm Pablo Jordan from 6th grade and I'm going to show you how to make a boat. First, we are going to get a paper. We are going to fold it from one side to the other. It's a nice boat and it is good to do it.
Hello! Well, this is my boat. I have made this boat in arts and craft lessons because we are learning about some explorers. For example, Christopher Columbus, Hernán Cortés, Captain Cook. And this is a recycled boat because I have made it with things that I had at home. For example, some fabric, some bottoms, a brick of milk. And this is my boat.